MTD CNC are in Elland today, which is near Halifax. We're at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions' new facility. We've been invited here to their press day. We've picked out a machine behind us because if you're interested in this type of machine or any of the Colchester machine range that you'll see on our channel, you can come here next week to an open house. Tell us about this one, Gio, because it's causing a storm, isn't it?
It is causing a storm. The Storm 1050. Now, most people are aware of Colchester's large range of lathes. You know, they've even introduced the twin spindle, which we'll be touching upon. But not many people are aware that they do VMCs. This is relatively new to Colchester, and it is an absolutely cracking machine. We've just reviewed the machine and looked at the machine and looked at the machine's capabilities. The capacity is 1050 by 600 by 560 in the Z, 24 tools, 32 as an option, 10k spindle, swarf management system as standard, Fanuc control, which is standardised across their complete machine tool range, and they've got a smaller brother to this, which is the 600 machine.
They've also been doing a cutting demonstration here today on a piece of P20, which has been very impressive. You often come to, you may go to a machine tool company and they might not want to cut material, or they might cut aluminium, but here they're cutting a piece of P20, which again they'll be doing next week. You mentioned the 600 size machine. Just to give you an idea on price, they start at just under £50,000, and then obviously this is the next machine up, which is a metre machine. One of the points that Paul Rushworth was telling me earlier is that they've introduced this range of machines as a result of them often selling their lathes, which are popular, which we know about, and engineers going, well, I want a machining centre as well. I don't just want to buy a lathe, I want a machining centre, but now I've got to go to two different suppliers. Well, not anymore, because you can buy the machining centre as well here from Colchester Machine Tool Solutions.